Hey everybody, it's John Michael Bailey, John Michael Bailey Injury Lawyers. Today we're going to talk about how to handle the insurance adjusters after a crash. Number one tip, they are not there for you. They are there for the company that is doing everything it can to pay you less than what you actually deserve. Let's understand who the adjusters really work for. Here's a hint, it's not you. They are an employee of the company that is doing everything it can to keep its own money in its pocket and not do the responsible thing and give you what you truly deserve for your injuries, for your time, your compensation for your medical bills, lost wages, aggravation, property damage claims, all these things. They are doing everything they can to chisel every nickel and dime, and to do that, they will do all kinds of common tactics to lower the payoffs. What they'll do is they will delay, deny, defend. This was identified as early as 1991 in tactics that were in an all-state manual: delay, deny, defend. This is where that phrase came from. And what the adjusters were trained to do, and it's commonplace all over the industry now, they'll do delaying tactics. They won't return a phone call. They'll ask you for a lot of information that really isn't relevant or their business. They will deny the claim, unreasonably so. Even when it's obvious their insured is at fault and they need to make you a reasonable offer, they'll still deny it because they have money. They still get a paycheck. You are financially disadvantaged, and so they are using that as a method to grind you down. Finally, even when you have a justifiable claim that they need to compensate you for, they may choose to put their own insured's assets at risk to save the profit of the insurance company. We call that profit over people. We think it's disgusting and abominable, but it happens every day, and we fight it tooth and nail every day. They're going to act like they're your friend, they're your best buddy. They're going to be so sweet that sugar would not melt in their mouths when they talk to you. And every word that you say to them, they're going to try to record. And every word that you say to them, they will try to use against you to lower your claim value. They will use all kinds of leading and misleading questions. Say, how fast do you think you're going? Oh, I think maybe I was going 37 or 38. Well, are you sure about that? Could it be possible you could have been going a little bit over the speed limit? We want to be accommodating. We want to be nice. They're being nice to us. We think they're genuine. They are not. This is all deceptive tactics. And so then when you say, well, maybe I was watching where I was going, not really looking at the speedometer when I was driving down the street, which seems natural and normal. But then they will turn around and use that against you and say, well, look, you've already told me you had no idea how fast you were going, and it looks to me like you were speeding, and so therefore I don't need to pay you the full value of your claim. Let me clue you into something. Unless this is an uninsured motorist claim and you are contractually bound to give a statement, you are under no obligation to give that adjuster a recorded statement. And when they ask our clients for the recorded statement, you know what we tell them? Sure, we'll give you a recorded statement. The same time you give us a recorded statement, let us take a recorded statement from your insured. You know what we hear after that? A dial tone. They don't want to have that conversation with us at all. And this is why you need to route everything through your attorney. You can protect your words. You can give them a written statement that you have prepared where you can tell them the actual truth without them trying to put words into your mouth. And that protects not only your words and your statement, but also your leverage when you're negotiating with a company. Let's talk about timing your response. Why right now isn't always the right answer. So I know they want you to call them back right now. Well, maybe instead of doing that, maybe the best thing for you is to follow this link below and let us take a look at your case. Without obligation, we will tell you exactly what we think we can do and how much your case may be worth. Click the link, or you can call us at 888-WE-FIGHT. We're here 24/7, 365. If you're hurting, we are working. So I'm going to wrap this up for now. Just a few points for you to put in the back of your mind. If you're looking at this, we're not trying to monetize. We're just trying to spread information and lift the knowledge base of everybody. So if you would, please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Anything that you can do to help us spread the word, it sure helps in the algorithm. So Just to close, my name is John Michael Bailey, John Michael Bailey Injury Lawyers, 888-WE-FIGHT. Thank you so much for listening. And if you can hear my voice, I wish you peace and joy. And as always, I hope to talk to everybody real soon. 888-WE-FIGHT.